Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable activating Google Assistant by saying Hey Google on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly go into settings, then tap on the search bar and search up Assistant Settings. Then go into Assistant Settings, Hey Google and Voice Match. Now tap on the switch and that's basically all. It may ask you to just confirm some rules, but after that you can just try if it works. Hey Google. Yeah, it works. But if it doesn't work, tap on retrain your voice match model, and it's going to ask you to say some questions that are on the screen. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.